Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover permanently deleted files and folders in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, let's say, for example, you have deleted a file, you have emptied your recycle bin here as well. Okay, so what we're going to do to recover those files is basically go to your Microsoft Store, type down Store right here in your search bar, click on Microsoft Store. And then just go ahead and find Windows File Recovery. Okay, now go ahead and click on this application. Wait for it to load and just click on Install and wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, just click on Open. There'll be a pop-up, just click on Yes, and the command prompt will open. So let's just go ahead and close Microsoft Store. Now let's focus on the command prompt right here. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit bigger, just like so. Now, what we're going to do in here is just type down WinFR space. Now, if you have deleted the file from drive C, for example, if you have deleted the file from drive C, well, go ahead and type down drive C in here. C colon space. Now, where do you want to save the recovered files? Now, as you can see here, I have 3 drives. Now, I can go ahead and save it to drive D right here. Okay, space D colon. Now, by the way, if you only have drive C on your computer, make sure that you have a flash drive at least, okay? Or an external hard drive connected, because you won't be able to recover files deleted from drive C and put it to drive C as well. That's not possible. Okay. Again, the file was deleted at drive C, so you will recover it to drive D. All right. I hope that's clear. Now let's close this window. Now space / we have 2 options right here under modes, regular or extensive. Okay. Now, if I were you, if you have all the time, you could go ahead and use extensive, which is a thorough recovery option suitable for all file systems. Okay. And if you want to save time, maybe regular right here is a standard recovery option for non-corrupted NTFS drivers. Now, if regular doesn't work, go ahead and use extensive. And again, if you want to save a lot of time tinkering around these options, well, I'm just going to use extensive. Okay. And once that's done, actually, you can just go ahead and hit on enter and just wait for the process to finish. And after that, you're good to go. Now, another example right here. Okay. If you know the file folder, or if you know the folder where the file was deleted, well, it could save you some time as well. So just go ahead and type down again, extensive space / N space, and then go ahead and find the file folder where the file was deleted. For example, this folder right here. Okay. Now what we're going to do is just go ahead and click on the address bar, then copy users. Okay. Users right here up until the last letter. Right click and cut or copy, then close it, paste that in here. Okay. So why folder? Because this folder or desktop files are saved on drive C. That's why. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and type down / and then just hit on enter. Okay. Now, if you want to save more time, okay, you can go ahead and type down space / N. Okay. And if you know the file type, for example, it's a JPEG file type or a MP4, PDF, PNG, it's up to you. Okay. If you know it, well, just go ahead and type down space * dot, maybe a file type is a PNG. All right. And after that, well, you can now go ahead and hit on enter, wait for it. Okay. As you can see here, it's running. Now to continue, just type down Y. Okay. Source drive is C, destination folder is D, filters right here, Y. And as you can see here, it's now scanning. Just wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, you can close this one. Go ahead over to your drive D. Okay. I'm not going to finish it because it's going to take some time. And I don't have any files to recover. Okay. Drive D. And here you have a recovery folder. You can now go ahead and double click on it. Double click on each folder that is in here. And eventually you'll find your deleted file. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.